VF is one of Europe's leading companies specializing in radiation monitoring and radiation protection systems. The company's headquarters are located in the Czech Republic, in the small town of Černá Hora, surrounded by the picturesque Czech countryside. VF's corporate activities include research and development, design, production, and implementation. We provide our products and services to various customers, including nuclear power industry, radioactive waste management, medical industry, environmental protection, metrology and calibration. In the field of metrology, VF is a provider of design specification packages, as well as the construction of ionizing radiation calibration laboratories. Our clients include metrology institutes, nuclear power plants, government institutions, the military, civil defense, fire service, and the private sector. Deliveries are undertaken on a case-by-case and comprehensive basis and can include design, construction, mechanical technology, ventilation, wiring, and other technologies which are necessary for operating this kind of facility. We can offer calibration as a service at our own laboratory in Černá Hora. This laboratory is also used for the calibration of ionizing radiation meters manufactured for our customers. Finally, our laboratory has a key role in the testing stages of development of new VF products. The calibration facilities are situated in a custom-designed room which ensures sufficient shielding of the surrounding environment. One part of the calibration laboratory is the calibration room, where the OG8 irradiator is to be found. The irradiator, loaded with suitable sources, is able to produce gamma radiation beams in the range of tenths of micrograys per hour up to grays per hour. The instrument being calibrated is attached to the calibration bench, which can move along the rails. This calibration bench enables the accurate setting of the distance between the detector and irradiator using an absolute position sensor, calibrated measurement scales, and a set of lasers. A second separate part of the laboratory is the control room. The operator in this room has at his disposal various control and security equipment, including application software, monitoring of the parameters in the irradiation room, indicators of safety interlock status, and a camera view of the irradiation room. Health and safety is of the highest priority when operating the ionizing radiation calibration laboratory. The laboratories designed and provided by us are equipped with every essential safety feature, such as emergency shutdown buttons, safety measures during power loss, door lock to irradiation room and open door indicator, motion sensors in the link corridor between control room and calibration room, visual and audible warning before source exposure. The laboratory is also equipped with a radiation monitoring system. The control and data management software of the calibration laboratory consists of three parts. A database register of all instruments received for calibration. Software for creation of automated calibration methodologies, printouts, and complete administration of the system. Application software enabling the remote control of laboratory facilities, a function which can be carried out by the operator or in a fully automated manner. The calibration laboratory software works as client-server and database application. This enables access to data from any computer within the local area network. The meter to be calibrated is received by the qualified personnel working in the laboratory. Receipt of the meter for calibration is recorded in the database. This recording procedure serves to identify any instrument received, to check its progress through the process, and provides easy overviews of calibration history. After the recording procedure, the meter is mounted on the calibration bench using various jigs and fixtures. Depending on the type of meter being calibrated, we provide either versatile or tailor-made holders. After mounting, the meter is targeted using lasers and accurately positioned. The operator, where possible, connects the calibrated instrument with the control room through the interface on the calibration bench and cables. Instruments with atypical outputs can be connected via suitable temporary cables directly to the control room, utilizing the cable channel in the floor. When an instrument is unable to share data electronically, the operator will use the camera to be able to view its display from the control room. After mechanically securing the entry to the irradiation room, the operator switches on the DARS application software. Using this software, the process runs either in automatic mode or is controlled by the operator. In automatic mode, the operator only oversees running operations and the transfer and storage of data into the database. In the case of visual readout, the operator is required to input manually the measured values into the database. This procedure is necessary only when calibrating instruments without a suitable interface. The control software automatically creates a calibration report using the values measured and stored in the database. The software also provides overviews and analysis of the measurement results, together with other data stored in the database, without the necessity for any physical paperwork. Subject to successful calibration, the instrument is labelled with a sticker which shows that it conforms to national standards. The process is completed by the issue of an official calibration report. The calibration laboratory meets or exceeds the following standards. Act on the peaceful uses of nuclear energy and ionizing radiation of the Czech Republic and related decrees, according to which the calibration facilities were type approved. Standard general requirements for the competence of testing and calibration laboratories, according to which our own calibration laboratory was accredited by the national accreditation body of the Czech Republic. And standard X and gamma reference radiation for calibrating dosimeters and dose rate meters. The laboratory is more than ready to be accredited in other countries according to the appropriate national standards. Evidence of VF's expertise and professional conduct can be seen in this partial list of satisfied customers.